Today we are discussing interview questions for ServiceNow, Service Mapping, and Discovery. You can download the complete list of interview questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on ServiceNow, Service Mapping, and Discovery is: how does ServiceNow Discovery handle the discovery of load balancers and their configurations? And why is this information important in IT operations? Your answer should be: ServiceNow Discovery handles load balancers by using probes and sensors designed for a load balancing devices. These probes collect information about configurations, virtual servers, and server pools. This information is crucial in IT operations for understanding how traffic is distributed across servers, ensuring proper load balancing configurations, and identifying potential points of failure or performance bottlenecks. Our next interview question based on service mapping and discovery is: in a scenario where ServiceNow Discovery is unable to discover devices due to network segmentation, what strategies would you employ to address the issue? Your answer should be: addressing network segmentation issues in ServiceNow Discovery involves: first point, identifying specific network segments causing discovery challenges. Next point, collaborating with network administrators to adjust firewall rules and permissions. Next point is configuring MID servers strategically to discover segmented areas. Next point is utilizing discovery probes that are capable of handling segmented networks. And last point is adjusting discovery schedules to align with network segmentation policies. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow, service mapping, and discovery is: explain the role of horizontal discovery maps in ServiceNow and how they contribute to visualizing the relationships between configuration items. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the current, valid, and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: horizontal discovery maps in ServiceNow visually represent the relationships and dependencies between configuration items CIs. They contribute to visualization by offering a graphical representation of how different CIs are connected horizontally. Horizontal discovery maps help IT professionals gain insights into the overall architecture, dependencies, and potential impact areas, aiding in troubleshooting and optimization. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow, service mapping, and discovery is: how can ServiceNow Discovery be configured to discover and map configuration items associated with a specific business application or service? Your answer should be: configuring ServiceNow Discovery for a specific business application or service involves defining patterns that capture the relationships and dependencies of components. Next point is configuring identification and reconciliation rules tailored to the application or service. Next point is utilizing business service maps to visualize the relationships between configuration items. And last point is regularly reviewing and updating discovery configurations to adapt to changes in the application or service stack. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can find the current valid and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.